Hello, I'm Albina and this is my clinic, Cutting Edge Medical Aesthetics. Let's talk about hair growth option, because confidence really does start at the roots. Option 1, mesotherapy, a cocktail that stimulates hair follicles, boosts circulation and encourages new growth. It's affordable and effective. Option 2, PRP, PRF with stem cells, one of my favorite. You can see on all of my videos how fast my hair grows. Okay, this is more organic approach, using your body own plasma to repair and regrow. This has become super popular over the last 3 years. Both treatments work. The main difference is the price. If plasma isn't your budget, mesotherapy is still a fantastic option. And now book your hair consultation. All the details in the description below, and I will see you soon. Book the consultation and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching.